What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pay Atome Card bill. So, you might be wondering how to exactly pay your Atome Card bill here. Well, paying your Atome Card bill is pretty easy. Now, if you're not familiar yet, typically speaking, you could use your Gcash account here to make a payment, which in this case, you could go and just, we are going to show you how to exactly do that. So first things first, you want to open up your Gcash app here and just basically log into your account. And in here, you want to go and choose the option here that says bills. Now next is you want to go ahead and click on the search billers at the very top here. And from then on, what you need to do is you just need to basically search for Atome. Now you want to go and click on Atome here and just fill out the necessary information. That includes the reference number here, the customer's full name, and the email address. Now from here on, and you want to also specify the amount that you want to pay here. But usually at the very bottom here, you should be able to see the next button. So once you click on next, just confirm a few things here, and you should be able to make payment here on your Atome Card bill. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.